My research field is the science of materials in small dimensions. It can be droplets, can be particles. It can be the size of 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter or 1/1,000,000th of a meter. And what's happening at that size range is that materials change their properties. And we harness the changes of these properties for a variety of applications. For example, we can have gold, that the color of the gold is blue or red or yellow, or silver particles that can melt even at room temperature. So we can use them, for example, for making energy harvesting, or we can use them to make printed electronics. This is taking part of the next industrial revolution, which is manufacturing through printing. For example, one challenge of humanity is energy harvesting. So we have developed materials that can use for coatings that absorb all the sunlight and convert it into electricity. Or we have developed silver nanoparticles that can be printed and make the whole process of making printed circuit boards very, very simple and very quick. In the environment, there are many challenges now. One of them is waste. Everyone knows about plastic waste, but there is a lot of waste which is not really plastic. For example, when you get furniture, you take a wood, you cut it, shape it, glue it, and you throw away whatever is not required. We thought maybe we can use wood waste to make new products by 3D printing. So what we have done is to take wood waste, wood flour actually, that you can either get for free or buy it with very, very low price. We make a kind of a magic mixture of nanomaterials and the wood waste, and we use that to make new 3D objects. The objects that are made from this wood waste are totally natural. Every electrical instrument that we see or we have in our pocket is composed of electrical circuits. The traditional way of making electrical circuits is to design the circuit and then to send it to a factory that will make the structure of the electrical circuits. This process from design until you get the first electrical circuit usually takes about a month. What we had in mind was to develop an ink that is composed of metallic particles, small particles of silver, that you can print them and at once you can go from the computer into the circuit by one step. This technology was based on our scientific discoveries relating to how can we make small particles in the nano dimension and how can we cause the particles to merge together at low temperature, which will fit plastics. And this technology was licensed by a company called Nano Dimension that is now traded in the NASDAQ, and it's selling all over the world printers and our inks. My dream is to take our scientific discoveries in small dimensions of materials into large dimension of real-world applications.